We're down here in Baja doing some product testing for Black Dog Cycle Works, and as you can see, I've got one of the skid plates down there. These rigid lights are freaking amazing. We were riding in the dark the other night and it was raining, and you talk about turning night into day. And I've got the BRP set up with the Scots, and it's just been made the difference on this bike. And the skid, or the not skid plate, the rack back here. If we had an old rack that you could look at to compare, but this is a company that they build a product and they continue improving on the product. I want to talk about the skid plate that I got from Black Dog Cycle Works. This is on my SE, but several years ago I bought a 990 Adventure, and I knew that I needed to have a better skid plate on that bike, and I did a lot of searching on the internet and looked at a lot of different skid plates, and this was before I ever knew Kurt, and this is a skid plate that I picked out of all the ones that I looked at, and I'm truly glad I did. On this bike, on this trip, and on my 990 when I'm riding it, you'll be going along through some dirt and gravel and rocks, and you'll hear this big clank. And you think, thanks, Kurt. But I know it saved me from having some damage on my bikes, and I know that everybody should get one of these for their bike, because it'll damn sure save you some money in the long run.